Next factor that is affecting the climate is how high it is from the sea level. The higher we go, the cooler we feel. The height of a place is measured from sea level. People go to hill station in summers because they are cool even in summer. The temperature decreases with increase in the height. Compare the temperature of Chennai and Ooty. Ooty is cool because of its height. Mount Abu in Rajasthan is also cool in summers. Have you heard Kilimanjaro? These mountains are in Africa, located near equator. But still the peak remains snow covered. It is because of its height. See children, that one more factor that affecting the climate is how high it is from the sea level. The higher we go, we feel cold. Okay. The height of the place is measured from the sea level. If it is height from the sea level means that a place will be very cold. People go to hill station because in summer they feel very cool. Okay. The temperature decreases when the increase in the height. If it is height from the sea level means the temperature will decrease. See, compare the temperature of Chennai and Ooty. Ooty is cooler because it is very high from the sea level, isn't it? Mount Abu in Rajasthan is also cool in summer because it is very high from the sea. Have you heard Kilimanjaro? This mountain is in Africa. It is located near the equator. You know na, the places which are located near equator gets very hot. But Kilimanjaro mountain, no, that is in Africa. Okay, that still that peak remains snow covered in summer. Okay, it is because of its height. Okay. Next, that factor affecting the climate is how far it is from the sea. The land heats up faster than water. The land cools down faster than the sea. The sea is neither too hot nor too cold. Climate over the sea is moderate. The places located near the sea are affected by the phenomena. Climate of Mumbai is moderate. Places far from the sea have hot summers and cold winters. Such a climate is called extreme. That is, example, Delhi. Okay. Next one factor that affect the climate is how far it is from the sea. See that land gets heat very faster than the sea. Land gets cool also very faster than the sea. Okay. The sea is neither too hot nor too cold. Climate over sea is moderate. Moderate means neither too hot nor too cold. That is called as moderate. Climate near the sea is moderate. The places located near the sea are affected by the phenomena. Climate of Mumbai is moderate. Places far from the sea have a hot summer and cold winter. For example, the Delhi. See that Delhi is located far from the sea, and in Delhi hot summer and winter will be very cold. Okay, such a climate is called as extreme climate. Extreme climate means too hot and too cold. It is called as extreme climate. Okay. Next, that factor affecting the climate is direction of winds. Direction of winds also affect the climate. Winds coming from sea brings rain. India gets a rain in summer from the southwest wind, that is monsoon, coming from the sea. Winds coming from the land are dry and do not cause rain. Winters in India are practically dry except for the north and the eastern coastal plains. See here, one more factor that affecting the climate is direction of wind. That direction of the wind also affect the climatic condition of a place. that winds which are coming from the sea brings rain, and India gets rain in summer from the southwest wind. Okay, from India gets rain in the summer from the southwest wind which are coming from the sea. That winds coming from the land, it will be dry, and it won't cause us for rain. Winters in India are particularly dry except for the north and the eastern coastal plains. Next, that factor affecting the climatic condition is direction of mountains. If the direction of the mountain is opposite to the direction of the wind, it helps in causing the rain. For example, Western Ghats. See that one more factor that affecting the climatic condition is direction of mountains. If the direction of the mountain is opposite to the direction of the wind, means that a mountain will prevent the rain bearing winds and causes for rain. For example, Western Ghats. Okay, children. So that direction of the mountain also one of the factor that affecting the climate. Okay. Next, let us learn about the seasons of India. Most of the places experience a few months of hot weather, a few months of rainy weather, and a few months of cold weather in a year. Each of these divisions of the year that have particular weather patterns are called as season. In India, variation in temperature, rainfall, and monsoon winds result in the three main seasons. That is winter, summer, and monsoon, that is rainy season. See, let us learn about the seasons of India. See that most of the places experience a few months of hot weather and a few months of rainy weather and few months of cold weather in a year. We experience that a few months of hot weather and few months of rainy weather and few months of cold weather in a year. Okay, each of the this weather is divided into three seasons. That is monsoon means rainy season, summer season, and winter season. In India, we are having three seasons. Which are that three seasons? Winter, summer, and monsoon means rainy season. Let us learn about the winter. From October onwards, it starts becoming more pleasant. The sun is not so hot, the rays start becoming shorter, and the nights longer. The days start becoming shorter and the nights longer. This makes the beginning of winter. It continues till February or March. January is the coldest month. See here that from October onwards it starts what? Winter season. Okay, October to till February. But in the January month, that we feel coldest compared to other month from October to January. Okay, from October onwards it starts becoming more pleasant. The sun is not so hot. Okay, the day will be day starts becoming shorter. In the winter time now, winter season, that days will be shorter and night will be longer. This marks now that beginning of the winter. Because of this we can understand that this is the beginning of the winter. It continues till February or else till March. Okay, January is the coldest month compared to the months from October to January. Okay.